Imagine you are considering joining the fitness club and would like more information. In 90 seconds, ask 4 direct questions to find out about the following: location, programs for beginners, special equipment needed, qualified coaches.
Lingportal Online School presents
A speaking practice section. Below is a detailed explanation to the task. Let's break it down into a detailed step-by-step guide. 1. Read the prompt carefully. Take a moment to understand the task requirements. Note the specific topics you need to inquire about: location, beginner programs, equipment, and coach qualifications. 2. Brainstorm key information. Consider what specific details you would like to know about each aspect. For example, for location, you might want to know the address and best travel routes to get there. 3. Start with greetings. Open with a friendly greeting to set a positive tone. For example, "Hi, I'm interested in joining your fitness club and would like to find out more information about it." 4. Location. Think of a direct question you could ask about the location. You might ask, "Where is the fitness club located?" Or, "Could you let me know the club's address and details of its parking facilities?" Where is the fitness club situated? Could you confirm the exact location of the fitness club? What's the address of the fitness club? And are there any notable landmarks nearby? Can you provide information about accessing the fitness club, such as local bus routes and train stations? 5. Programs for beginners. Inquire about programs for beginners. For example, what specific programs do you offer for beginners? Or, how are your programs designed to accommodate people who aren't used to physical exercise? What beginner-friendly programs are available? Are there any specific fitness sessions suitable for newcomers? Do you have information about fitness programs for people who are just starting out? 6. Special equipment. Ask about any special equipment needed. For instance, are there any equipment or gear requirements for members? Or, could you provide details of anything participants need to bring with them? Are there any specific items or equipment that members need to bring? What kind of gear is required for participation? Do I need to bring my own equipment for the fitness activities, or is it all provided? 7. Qualified coaches. Inquire about the qualifications of the coaches. Pose a question like, "What qualifications do your coaches have?" Or, "Tell me about the expertise and training of your coaching staff." How qualified are the coaches at the fitness club? Could you elaborate on the expertise of the coaching staff? What measures does the club take to ensure its coaches are well trained? 8. Ensure your questions are clear and concise. Avoid unnecessary details or ambiguity. Use straightforward language when asking your questions. 9. Review and edit. Take a moment to review your questions. Check them for clarity, coherence, and adherence to the task requirements. Make any necessary changes to improve their flow. 10. Polite closing. Conclude your questions politely by expressing appreciation for the person's time and information. For instance, "Thank you for providing this information. I look forward to joining." Or, "I really appreciate that. Thank you very much for your time." 11. Stay within the time limit. As the task specifies a 90-second time frame, ensure your questions can be asked within this limit. Stick to what you need to find out. Practice asking the questions within the allocated time to refine your delivery and timing. Now, it's your turn to speak. Here's an optional example for the task. Imagine you are considering joining the fitness club and would like more information. In 90 seconds, ask 4 direct questions to find out about the following: location, programs for beginners, special equipment needed, qualified coaches. Hello, I'm considering joining your fitness club and would love to gather some more information about it. Firstly, can you confirm the club's address and which buses run there, please, so I can plan my route? I haven't done much exercise before, so I'm wondering if there are any programs for beginners like me. I want to be prepared for the activities. Do members need to bring any specific clothing or their own equipment? Lastly, I'm curious about the qualifications of the club's coaches. Please could you let me know if they have the appropriate experience and training? Thank you so much for your time and assistance. I'm looking forward to visiting the club and hopefully becoming a member. By following this step-by-step guide, you can structure your questions effectively and gather the information you need about the fitness club.